Hi students, this is the one of the problem from current electricity. We need to find out effective resistance between A and B. Now for that, you look at this problem. This is the symmetry problem about vertical axis. Symmetry means you look at here, I am taking this point about this vertical axis, this left side and this right side. This left side portion and this right side portion. Both are same. If you fold 1 on 2 or 2 on 1. So this left side, right side. This is left side and this is right side. Both are same about this axis. About this axis, vertical axis. So these type of problems, how to solve this? For the solution, first of all, you make one part, left side part or right side part. Find out the solution for that. And then that solution you add second part. You look at here, you can understand the problem is given as like this. This is one resistor, this is another resistor. This is R, this is R, this is R. I am taking left side portion. This is of, this is R by 2, this is R by 2. I am making two parts. If we add this R by 2 plus R by 2 in series combination, you can get the R. So this off portion, you can take resistance like this. This is R by 2. Now you look at this circuit. This total look like parallel combination. Parallel means what is the effective resistance? Effective resistance you assume as R dash, which is equals to R into R by 2 by R plus R by 2. Now by simplifying this is R square upon 2. This will be 2 upon 3 R will come. Now this is 2 gets cancelled, R gets cancelled. Next R dash will be R by 3. R dash will be R by 3. Now instead of these two resistors, we can rewrite R by 3. You take circuit will modify as like this. And this is R, this is R, this will be R by 3. Now this is A. Now you look at these two. These two look like series combination. Series combination, you assume as R double dash. You can add R plus R by 3. Now by taking LCM, this is 3. This is 3R plus R, which is equals to, this is 4R upon 3. Now this R and R by 3, you can rewrite, this circuit will modify as, this is R resistance, and instead of this R and R by 3, we can write another resistor, that is like this. This resistor will be 4R upon 3. This is point A and this is midpoint. Now these two you look at here, these two look like parallel combination about these 2 points. Now parallel combination again, R triple dash you can take, it will be 4R upon 3 into R by, this is 4R upon 3 plus R. Now this you can write 4R square by 3 into, this will be 3 into R, 3R 4R, 7R by 3, 7R by 3. This you can write 3 by 7R. R square, R gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled. Finally, R triple dash you can get 4R upon 7. 4R upon 7 you are getting. This is left side portion value. But here 1 and 2 is there. The R equivalent which is equals to, here left side portion what you are getting, 4R by 7 you are getting. For right side portion, again you need to add it, 4R upon 7. Now it will be the total R equivalent across AB, which is equals to 2 into 4R by 7, which is equals to 8R by 7. This is the answer. R equivalent across AB, which is equals to 8R upon 7. This is the answer for this question. Thank you.